Hello, children. Talking about the past is a great way to share stories and experiences. Let's listen to John and Mary as they talk about what they did yesterday, their holidays, and more.
What did you do yesterday?
I read a story. I found it very interesting.
Where did you go on your last holiday?
I didn't go anywhere. I stayed at home.
Did you watch TV last night? What did you watch?
Yes, I did. I watched a cartoon show. It was Motu Patlu.
When did you go shopping? What did you buy?
I went shopping last month. I bought a bag and a pair of shoes.
When was the last time you got angry? Why?
I got angry a week ago because my brother broke my ruler.